Hi, Bob. It's good to have you back. So for this session, for a while, we are going to work on the scripts that you and Mary developed together. So today, we're going to run through a hierarchy for your first script. First, I'm going to read the first line of your script aloud. Then we'll say it together in unison. And then I'll fade out my cues to you until eventually you're able to produce that script independently.
Lovely.
Okay? So the first script that you and Mary developed was Lassie, come girl. So now we're going to say this together in unison. Here's the cue card. Lassie, come. Girl.
Girl.
Okay, let's try that again. So let's just focus on this first word here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to say it first, so just listen. Lassie. Lassie. Let's try it again. Lassie. Very good. Let's try that word again. Lassie. Very good. Now let's work on the second word by itself. Let's put these first two together. Lassie. Come. Very good. Let's do this last word by itself. Let's try that again. Lassie. Come. Girl. Very good. Let's do that again. Lassie. Come. Girl. Again? Okay, for this next trial, we're going to do another repetition, but I'm going to fade out my speech towards the end of the sentence. Lassie. Come.
Girl.
Very good. Let's do that again. Okay, for this next run through, I'm not going to talk at all. I'm going to just have you say this sentence all by yourself, okay?
Yeah. Okay. Lassie. Come, girl.
Okay, let's do that again. This next run through, I'm going to take the card away completely. I'm going to have you read or say this line without any cues, okay? Okay. Let's try it again, reading it straight through with the cue card.
Lassie, come, girl.
Very good. Let's try that again.
Lassie, come, girl.
Okay. We're going to try removing the cue card again, and we'll see if you can do that with no written assistance.
Lassie, come, girl.
Very good. Let's do that again.
Lassie, come, girl.
Very good. All right, Bob, we're coming to the end of the semester. It's been a good run. You made a lot of progress so far. Today, I just want to ask you some questions related to some of the scripts that we've worked on this semester, those scripts that you and Mary came up with that we've been drilling and drilling every single week, and I'm sure you're, getting tired of hearing them, but the repetition is what is important. So,
yeah.
The question that I have for you is, how do you get your dog's attention to go outside?
Lassie, let's go outside.
Mm-hmm. And if Lassie's across the room and you need to get her over to you, what do you say?
Lassie, come, girl.
Very good. Very good, Bob.